Hello students, how are you all? Today we are going to start chapter 7 factorization and exercise 7b. Before this we have done our first exercise, that was 7a. Now here in this exercise we have to do factorize. So here factorize in solution number 1 we have x square minus 36. So first of all we have to use a formula, that is a square minus b square equals to a plus b and a minus b. So this formula we have to use. So according to this formula, first of all in question number 1 we have x square minus 36. So we can write x as x square and here 36 can be written as 6 square. So here by applying this formula a plus b, a minus b, here a is x and b is 6. So we can write x plus 6 and x minus 6. This will be the answer. Now after this, see its third part, 81 minus 49 x square. So on place of 81 we can write 9 square and on place of 49 x square we can write 7x whole square. Now again applying same formula, that is a plus b and a minus b. So here for 9 square minus 7x whole square it will be 9 plus 7x and 9 minus 7x. This will be the answer. Now after this, see question number 7. In question number 7, 16a square minus 144. So here on place of 16a square we can write 4a whole square minus on place of 144 we can write 12 whole square. So here by applying same identity, that is a plus b, a minus b, we can write here 4a plus 12 and 4a minus 12. Now we can take this 4 and this 4 as common. So when we take this 4 as common, it will become 4 come here and it will be a plus 3, and when we will take 4 from here also common, so it will be 4 into 4 and 4 into 4 will be 16. So on place of this we can take 4 common from both of these, so it will be 16. Now here it will be a plus 3 and it will also a plus 3, because when we take 4 common, so we can divide this 12 by 4, so it will be 3, and we can also divide this 12 by 4, it will be 3, and 4 into 4 become 16. So answer will be 16, a plus 3 in this bracket, a minus 3. This will be the answer. Now after this, see question number 12. In question number 12 we have 16x power 5 minus 144x cube. So first of all we can take x cube as common. By taking x cube as common, it will be 16x square minus 144. Now here it will be x cube. On place of 16x square we can write here 4x whole square minus on place of 144 we can write 12 whole square. Now here again applying same identity, a plus b, a minus b, so it will be 4x plus 12 and 4x minus 12. Again we can take 4 common from both of these brackets, so it will be x square, 4 come common, and here also 4 come common, so it will be x plus 3 and it will be x minus 3. Now 4 into 4 will be 16, so 16x cube. In this bracket we can write x plus 3 and x minus 3. So this is the answer. Now after this, see question number 15. In question number 15 we have 63a square b square minus 7. So first of all we can take common 7, so it will be 9a square b square and minus 1. Again we can write here 7, so 9a square b square will be 3ab whole square, and on place of 1 we can write 1 square. So by applying here same identity, a plus b and a minus b, it will be 7, so it will be 3ab minus 1 and 3ab plus 1. So this is the answer. So in this exercise you have to do questions up to solution number 15, and you have to try all the questions up to 15 in this exercise. Now after this, next exercise, that is 7c. So in exercise 7c we have to use the formula, that is a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab and a minus b whole square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So in this, see question number 1. So in this question we have x square plus 8x plus 16. So here x square will be written as x square. On place of this 8x we can write 2 into x into 4, and we can also write this 16 as 4 whole square. Okay, so here when we apply this identity, a square plus b square plus 2ab, so that means it is a square and it is b square, and plus 2ab means 2 into a into b. Here value of a is x and value of b is 4. So on place of 8x we can write 2 into x into 4. So its identity is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So it will be a plus b whole square. On place of a it is x and on place of b it is 4. So its answer will be x plus 4 whole square by using this first identity. Now similarly see solution number 3. In solution number 3 we have 1 plus 2x plus x square. So this 1 can be written as 1 square plus on place of this 2x we can write 2 into 1 into x, and on place of this x square it will be x square. So by using same identity, a square plus b square plus 2ab, it will be a plus b whole square. On place of a it is 1 and on place of b it is x. So 1 plus x whole square. This is the answer. Now after this see solution number 6. So here we have 4y square plus 20y plus 25. So here on place of 4y square we can write 2y whole square plus on place of 20y we can write 2 into 2y into 5, and on place of 25 we can write 5 square. So here identity a square plus b square plus 2ab. So value of a is 2y and value of b is 5. So we can write here 2y plus 5 whole square. So this is the answer. Now after this see question number 9. In question number 9 we have z square plus z plus 1 upon 4. So here on place of z square we can write z square plus on place of z we can write 2 into z into 1 upon 2, and this 1 upon 4 can be written as 1 upon 2 whole square. So here 1 upon 2 whole square, here it will be b square. So here it is a square plus 2ab. So value of b is 1 upon 2, that's why we are writing here 1 upon 2. Now see identity a square plus b square plus 2ab. So here value of a is z and value of b is 1 upon 2. So z plus 1 upon 2 whole square will be answer. Now after this see question number 12. 121 a square minus 88 ab plus 16 b square. So here on place of 121 a square we can write 11a whole square, and on place of 88 ab we can write 2 into 11a into 4b, and on place of 16b square we can write 4b whole square. So here we can use the identity a square plus b square minus 2ab. So this is second identity. So in this we can write 11a minus 4b whole square, as the value of a is 11a and value of b is 4b. So it will be 11a minus 4b whole square. This is the answer. Now see question number 15. In question number 15 we have 16x square minus 24x plus 9. So on place of 16x square we can write here 4x whole square, then minus on place of 24x we can write 2 into 4x into 3, and on place of 9 we can write 3 whole square. So it will be a square minus 2ab plus b square. So identity we can use second identity, so that is 4x minus 3 whole square. So this is the answer. Now so in this way you can do all the question up to question number 15. So you have to do all the question up to 15. Okay, so after this the next exercise, that is 7d. So in exercise 7d we have to factorize these terms. So here in solution number 1 we have x square plus 5x plus 6. So here we have to factorize it. So first we will take this 6. So we will find the factor of this 6. So factors are 2 and 3. So here we have to split this middle term. This middle term is 5x. So on place of 5x we can write 2x plus 3x. So here it will be x square, on place of 5x it will be 2x plus 3x, and it will be 6. So now from these two terms we will take x common. So we will take x as common. So in bracket it will be x plus 2, and from these two terms we can take 3 as common. So in bracket it will be x plus 2. Now here it is also x plus 2 and it is also x plus 2. So we can take this x plus 2 common, and here it will be x plus 3. So its answer is x plus 2 and x plus 3. This is answer. Now after this see solution number 3. it is z square plus 12z plus 27. So here we will find the factors of 27. Factors of 27 will be 3, 3 and 3. So here we have to split this 12z. So it will be 3 into 3 will be 9 and 1 3 is from this. So 9 and 3. So on place of this 12 we can write 9z plus 3z. So it is z square plus on place of 12z it is 9z plus 3z, and on place of 27 it is 27. Now from these two terms we will take z as common. So in bracket z plus 9. Now similarly here we will take 3 as common. So here in bracket z plus 9. Now this z plus 9 and z plus 9 will be common, and we will write z plus 9, and here z plus 3 will remain. So z plus 9 and z plus 3 it will be answer. Now after this remaining parts are also same, so you can try. Now after this see question number 11. In question number 11 we have x square minus 23x plus 42. Now here we will split this 42 or find the factor of 42. It will be 2, 3 and 7. So here 3 into 7 will be 21, 21 and 2. These are the factors. So here it will be x square. On place of this minus 23x we can write minus 21x minus 2x and plus 42. So from these two terms we will take x as common. So it will be x minus 21, and from these two terms we will take minus 2 as common. So it will be x, and on place of this plus it will be minus and 21. So here x minus 21 and x minus 21 is here, so we can take common. So x minus 21 will be written in this. So here x minus 2 will be remain. So x minus 21 and x minus 2 is the answer. Now similarly see solution number 15. So x square minus 9x plus 20. Here we will find the factor of 20. So factors of 20 are, it will be 2, 2 and 5. So 2 into 2 will be 4 and 5. So here x square, on place of this minus x minus 9x we can write minus 4x and minus 5x and plus 20. Now from these two terms we can take x common. So it will be x minus 4, and from these two terms we can take minus 5 as common. So it will be x minus 4. So here x minus 4 and x minus 4 will be taken as common, and here x minus 5 will remain. So x minus 4, x minus 5 will be answer. So in this way you can try question up to question number 20. So question number 20 all the questions are same, so you have to do these in this exercise up to question number 20. Now you can note down your homework. So your homework, you have to do exercise 7B, 7C and 7D. So you have to complete these three exercises. All three exercises are very simple, so you have to do these exercises. So after this we will start our new chapter. So thank you for watching the video.